What are the post-operative instructions after a blepharoplasty or eyelid surgery operation? Whether you're looking to educate yourself about this procedure or you've already scheduled an operation with us, I will highlight some important information to remember as you embark on your surgical journey. I'm Dr. Rodney Chan and I'm a STARS plastic surgeon in San Antonio, Texas. The information that I'm sharing with you today applies if I'm your surgeon or if your surgeon is Dr. Davis, Dr. Granet, or Dr. Kunesh. We've all agreed that following these post-operative instructions is important to optimize the outcomes of your blepharoplasty operation. I will first go through some general instructions, followed by care of the surgical site, any restrictions on bathing or activities, and then ending with expectations and follow-up visits. This information is also in print if you prefer to see it that way. For general instructions, use the pain medication that's prescribed when you're feeling uncomfortable. Constipation can be an issue with the use of any narcotic pain medication, and we recommend taking a stool softener at the same time or using prune juice from the grocery aisle. Examples of stool softeners are Metamucil and Colace. You'll be able to drive after a week. Be aware that pain medications cause drowsiness and it should not be taken for a few hours if you're planning on driving. And even at home, you should take caution with tasks such as climbing stairs when you're taking pain medications. An occasional complaint after an operation involving general anesthesia is nausea, and taking pain medications on an empty stomach will make this worse if you're prone to this problem. This will generally pass within 24 to 48 hours. It's important that you drink liquids frequently after your operation. After your operation, you may have blurred vision because of ointment in your eyes. Vision usually clears within a few days. Keep ice compresses, which are gauze pads dipped in ice water and wrung out on your eyelids for the first 48 hours. Use saline eye drops in the eyes during the first 2 to 3 weeks as needed. And do not pull down your eyelids when instilling the eye drops. Be very gentle. And use Lacryloop ointment in the eyes at night if your eyelids do not fully close during the first month or if you feel like your eyes are quite dry. On the first day after your operation, you may gently wash your face by patting it with a face cloth. You can also brush your teeth. You may shower and wash your hair 2 days after your operation. Make sure you sleep with your head elevated on several pillows arranged in a wedge, because this is going to decrease your swelling. For the first 48 hours, try to rest quietly. You may get up and use the bathroom or take a light walk around the house, but when you bend down, bend at the knees and not with your head down. And do not wear any eye makeup for 10 days, and you probably shouldn't wear any contact lens for 3 weeks. Avoid any sun exposure for 6 weeks after an operation, and if you must, use sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or greater, and try to do that for about a year. It will be at least 2 weeks before you can begin light exercise, such as walking or using a stationary bike. Heavy exercise and heavy lifting are not permitted for 3 weeks. You will have bruising around your eyes that will take about 2 to 3 weeks or longer to subside. And as the swelling subsides, there may be some hard areas under the skin of the eyelids. This is to be expected and it should resolve in a few weeks. The final result from your eyelid operation should be judged about 6 months after your surgery and typically not before. You'll have several follow-up appointments after your eyelid operation. Your first follow-up appointment will be 1 week after, where your sutures are going to be removed. Your second appointment will be 2 to 3 weeks later, followed by an appointment at 6 months and then a year. We are of course happy to see you more often if there's a need. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you find this video helpful in your surgical journey with us. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the STARS Plastic Surgery YouTube channel, or check out other videos that you see on your screen.